In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on Craigslist. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to create and publish a post on Craigslist in a simple and straightforward way. Craigslist is a widely used platform for buying, selling, and offering services locally, so learning how to create a post correctly helps you reach the right audience quickly and effectively. To begin, open your web browser and go to Craigslist.org. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to create a posting. You may see it in the top left corner or within the main navigation depending on the page you're on. Clicking this option will take you to the posting setup page where you can start building your ad. After that, you will be asked to choose a category for your post. This step is important because it determines where your listing will appear and who will see it. Once you select a category, you will move on to entering the main details of your listing. Here you can add a clear and descriptive title, set a price if needed, and include your city, neighborhood, and postal code. These details help people find your listing more easily and understand exactly what you are offering. You will also write a description where you explain your item, service, or offer in more detail. Depending on the category, you may see additional fields such as condition, size, or language preferences, which you should fill in based on your listing. You can also choose how your contact information is displayed, giving you control over privacy and communication options. Once everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Continue at the bottom of the page. Next, you will be prompted to add images. Select the option to upload photos from your device and choose pictures that clearly represent your listing. After selecting them, confirm your choices so they are attached to your post. Once all steps are complete, finalize your listing, and your post will be published on Craigslist. Before finishing, it is always a good idea to review your information carefully to make sure everything is accurate and clearly written. A well-structured post with good details and clear images can significantly improve your chances of getting responses. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel today.